Hi, my name is Farhan Haqim, and let's start to the introduction of Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza is the second largest franchise pizza in the chain in the United States. Tom's and James Monaghan purchased a small Michigan pizza called Domino's, which they jointly ran until James traded his used car. By changing the name to Domino's Pizza, Tom revitalized the image. By the late 1970s, there were over 200 franchise pizza business in the United States, and Domino's Pizza ready to go global. Then about the logo. In 1965, if you see the logo had 3 dots, which is to represent the 3 stores. Monaghan is intended to add a new dot with each new store. But this idea quickly faded as Domino's expanded rapidly. Domino's Pizza opened its first franchise location in 1967 and had grown to 200 stores by 1978. Amstar Corporation, the maker of Domino Sugar, sued Domino's in 1975, alleging trademark infringement and unfair competition. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans ruled in favor of Domino's Pizza on 2 May 1980. Next is vision and mission to Domino's Pizza. The vision is number 1 in people, number 1 in pizza. And then the mission is sell more pizza, have more fun. Okay, the organization chart is led by the chairman, is the David A. Brandon, and the CEO, the J. Patrick Doyle, and down the CEO is Andrew B. Belson as Compensation Committees, and Diana F. Cantor as Audit Committee. Also, NDC Bellet is Board of Director in Inclusion and Diversity Committee, and lastly is Gregory E. Troger, the Audit Committee in the Board Director. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mohamad. In this video, I will explain about SWOT analysis for Domino's. So let's start with the strength. The first strength is brand recall. Domino's, being a renowned multinational pizza brand, holds a strong brand image not only in the United States but all across the world. The second strength is quick service and deep menus. Domino's has faster than expected service, delight consumers and set the company apart from the others. The third strength is healthier alternative. Domino's want to change the dough to include healthier fats by including more whole wheat in the crust. So next part is weakness Domino's. So the first weakness is operation. The number of franchise store is too large, leading to difficulties in operation management. Quality controls also become a challenge. For the second weakness is low staff retention. High attrition due to lack of proper training and development is a big challenge for Domino's. Another weakness is lesser number of eaters. Domino has more delivery points than drive-in service. Move to another part, which is opportunities for Domino's. The first opportunity is market expansion. Expansion into developed market will benefit pizza industry as a developed market mature. The second opportunity is penetration. Strengthening the distribution network by further penetrating the current market will help increase Domino revenue. The last opportunity is health conscious eatables. Health-oriented menu with new low-fat flavor additive will lead to future sales growth. So let's move to last part, which is a threat for Domino. The first threat they will face is cost. The cost of vegetable and ingredients goes up, so does the cost of maintaining a pizza chain. The second threat is changing consumer eating habits. Sometimes people are becoming more aware of what they consume and what they should avoid. The last threat is direct and indirect competition. Competition with big companies such as Pizza Hut, and indirect competition is more likely to come from McDonald's and KFC.
Hi, my name is Danial, and I will explain about the problem related to operation management of Domino's Pizza Company. So, operation management is related to the production of outputs, and output can be divided into goods or services. And Domino's Pizza is the one of the organization that have the combination of goods and services which require the same basic elements of input, the transformation process, and output. In this case, Domino's Pizza is facing challenges on the output part. So, output for the Domino's Pizza are the delivery and the carry out, or I would say the takeaway. That is essentially the ways of the business output to be delivered. So, the main story of this problem is the delivery and the carry out that surged in the delivery orders at the pandemic of onset. Which means when the pandemic hit, suddenly you had a ton of customers that hesitant or to leave their homes and did not want to come and serve at the restaurants. So the delivery of the business is really surged. So from the view, it is at the high level, and Domino is aware that it is heading in the opposite direction. The Domino's Pizza is working on an initiative to increase the takeaway orders. So the management has noticed, and they have taken an initiative towards that. The driver shortage is far more serious than the overall labor shortage. As we mentioned, one of the ways Domino does is the in-car delivery. So they have invested heavily in marketing and advertising of Pandu Ambil to raise awareness of this feature and improve car delivery times. They are working on the average delivery to your car, which starts as 2 minutes and is about to shorten to 1 minute. So this initiative may also improve the profit of the franchises. And one more thing, you can save shipping and added value to your customer. So, for example, if you order Domino's Pizza and found that shipping charges vary by region, and you order $10 and the delivery cost is the $7, and you may motivate to drive Domino's to receive your order, especially it is more convenient. And the goal is to make it even more convenient for customer to drive to the Domino's Pizza outlet or shop than paying $5 or $7 of charge of their delivery fees. To summarize what I just explained, the problem may be minimized with the Pandu Amir initiative, where the customer did not have to wait so long at their car, and they have the urge to come to the restaurant or the Domino outlet to get their pizzas conveniently. So if this way is succeed, and it means driving the change and raising awareness to the Domino's Pizza Company. So it will be a strong pipeline of the franchises to keep growing and investing to the new store opening and increase the store profit. So that's all about the problem related to the operation management of Domino's Pizza Company. Thank you.
Now we are moving on to the problem solving. As mentioned, the problem in operation management of the Domino's Pizza is actually the time taken by the delivery services for the customer's order to arrive at their places. This problem has affected the customer satisfaction toward the company. Usually, even Domino's Pizza did a great job and only took a short time to prepare the order for their customers, they still became the punching bag of the customers. This is actually because some of the customers tend to blame everything on the company or the brand instead of the delivery services. We forgot that the delivery companies are also a part of the performance, such as Grab, Foodpanda, and Bungkusit, and many more. In 2020, in order to solve this problem, Domino's Pizza came up with an idea to create a new service for their customer to increase back the customer satisfaction toward its services, which is Pandu Ambil. This service makes it easier for all customers who want to buy their products but refuse to wait for the delivery or even to walk in the store. It is more convenient for both parties actually. So how did this service solve the problem? It is actually when the customers can order the food online first from home and later on go to the outlet to take the orders. And to avoid the misunderstanding, customers need to inform the staff about the details of their vehicle online so that the staff can identify which order belongs to which customer. And other than that, this newly introduced service also reduces the congestion at the parking section of any Domino's Pizza outlet because they have prepared a special area for the Pandu Ambil customers to grab their food instead of having to park their cars. Okay, next, to attract customers to use Pandu Ambil service, Domino's Pizza has decided to offer them a buy one and free to benefit. This offer includes one free regular size pizza, one choice of bread as sides, and a 1.5 litre bottle of Tropicana Twister that costs up to RM13.50. There is the potential to save up to RM54.90. In easier words, almost all outlets have this option, and now many Domino's Pizza outlets have a smooth and effective operational process. Lastly, Pandu Ambil firmly adheres to an even more stiff business process. This is because the customer do not have to make any contact with the staffs. They can pay by card or online banking. So the process of the payment is much more easier and can avoid a long queue at the outlets.
Now we go through for the next part, which is operation system of Domino Pizza. The Domino operation system can help us to understand the working process of Domino operation by going through into the input, transformation process, output and feedback. In the input process, it includes customer order and ingredient. In the Pandu Ambil service, it begins with the customer order via the Domino apps and website to get the detail of customer order and delivery. And also, they must have prepared for the ingredient and equipment to make the pizza such as sauce, dough, topping, oven and so on. Next is the transformation process, which is in this process, the Domino worker is required to do the process of transformation resource that are available in input, whereby the ingredient that they have prepared will go through the process of making the pizza, which is Domino worker will heat the oven, prepare the pizza dough, place the topping and sauce, and then they will bake the pizza in the oven. Next process is the output, which is finally we have the final product that has been complete after going through the process of transformation process. The output process includes for the delivery order to the customer vehicle and receiving the payment from the customer. Lastly is the feedback, which is this component required to control the operation system by modifying the input and transformation process in order to obtain the desired output. So the Domino Pizza note that they have the problem in their system of delivery service, which is customers have getting late receive their order during the pandemic because of higher demand that relate in this service. To fix the problem, they have introduced the new service, which is Pandu Ambil service, that can help reduce the time and customer can get their order by come to their branch by waiting in their own vehicle. With this efficient service, the company can gain the positive feedback by customer and also fulfill customer satisfaction.